Hello all, good evening. We'll just wait for a few moments for others to join. Meanwhile, how many people here already know or like heard about harmonics? Okay, somebody says I don't know. Okay, if in case anybody have heard about harmonics, okay, video is not yet been shown, so we'll just wait for 2 or 3 minutes for.
Guys, just hold for a few minutes. We are having some troubleshooting. We'll update in a few minutes. Okay, just be in the session. Just be in the session. We are troubleshooting the issues because the trainer is in another venue. Okay, so we will update in few minutes. Just hold. Be in the session itself.
Okay, I think like the issues are sorted out. You might be able to see my screen. So, how many have heard about harmonics previously? Okay, most are saying I don't know, not heard, never heard. Okay, then it is going to be an interesting topic. So don't worry. Okay. Okay, no issues, nothing to feel about it. So, so what is harmonics? Harmonics is nothing but a collection of multiple things saying the same thing. For example, three or four different things, they are saying the same thing is going to happen. That is what harmonics in simple words. Okay, so we'll start the session. Okay. So regarding this harmonics, Fibonacci numbers and the Fibonacci series is the most important thing of harmonics. Just a moment. Okay. Okay. So I think you might have heard about this Fibonacci number. So Fibonacci is present in nature. Even if we take our arm, Fibonacci number is there. If you take the leaves, Fibonacci number is there. So the leaves are tilted in a Fibonacci number in a way like the sunlight falls on them, and they can do the photosynthesis in a better way. So the point is, Fibonacci is present in nature. So when it is present in nature, of course, it will be present in the stocks, and we are going to make use of the Fibonacci numbers in our trading. So collection of Fibonacci number is called as harmonics. So we will be starting with Fibonacci numbers and how like Fibonacci number works. So once that part is done, we'll slowly step into harmonics. So ultimately, this Fibonacci is the like what to say heart of harmonics. Okay, okay. So right now, like I have taken Nifty chart in day time frame. So we'll see about this Fibonacci retracement extension. Okay, so you guys can use this website investing.com. It is free. You can create your own ID so that you can save your charts. Okay, so now what I'm doing is say like I have taken the chart in day time frame, and I'm going to draw Fibo retracement from swing high and low. So if you see here, like this is the swing high, right? The recent, this is the recent swing high, and this is the recent swing low. Okay, so initially we'll start with the day time frame because bigger time frame is always easy, and the trend prevails in bigger time frame. Okay, now you just go here and select on this tool Fibo retracement. Okay, now you just select the highest point and drag till the lowest point. Okay, so I'm not interested in these different colors, so let's go for one color. Okay, and in harmonics, so these are the Fibo numbers: 0.236, 0.382, 0.5, 0.618, 0.786, and this 0.618 and 786 are considered as very strong Fibo numbers. So in general, like how Fibo numbers help in trading is, say this 0.236, they say like that sets the trend. So once the retracement is above 0.236, more likely the particular script is going to reverse. I'll show a few examples in the coming time. So we'll just go over here. And in harmonics, this 0.236 is not a valid number. Instead, we have 886. So we'll just start with that. And there is an option called coordinate. So if you just, the reason is like when we draw, we may not draw to the accurate number. So if you see the high is like 11,760, it's 558 in dragging. So like I'll just update as 11,760, and low is 10,004. Let's update as 10,004. Okay. Okay. So what you understand is, so the stock is, I mean, like Nifty is falling. So from 11,700, it is falling to 10,000. So you know till this part, you don't know what is going to happen here. Okay. Okay. So it means right now the trend is downtrend. Okay. Now these Fibo retracement levels will be acting as support and resistance level. So how come they can act as both support and resistance level? We'll see on that part. So if you see the stock, okay. So Nifty has started to retrace, and once it touches this 0.382 level, the first Fibo retracement level, it is showing some kind of reversal. I means, what does retracement mean? the original trend is about to continue. So here, as of now, in day time frame, Nifty is falling, which means the maximum trend is like, or the major trend is downtrend. Okay, but the stock Nifty is retracing a little bit. Okay, so till what level it can retrace? Fibo number gives us an idea. So Fibo number doesn't say like Nifty is 100% going to reverse from this point or this point or this point. So they are like references. So instead of random numbers, they are strong referential numbers, which helps us in giving a better idea. So if you see here, like Nifty touched this 10,680, and there was a small dip. And if you see this point 0.5, so it touched this point 0.5, say like 10,882, and it has fallen very sharply. So some 500 points fall was there. Okay, and once again, this point 0.5 is acting as a resistance. But if you see here, this 0.382 earlier, okay. So earlier this 0.382 was acting as a resistance, but after some time what happened is this 0.382 is acting as a support, right? See, if you see like three times Nifty is trying to bounce from this 0.382, the support level. So the beauty of Fibonacci is it acts both as support and resistance numbers. Okay, okay, fine. So right here, in this part, the it is acting as a resistance, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So like, so what is the range of Nifty, or what is the intermediate trend of Nifty? So Nifty overall the trend is weak; it's downtrend, and so until this 10,882 is crossed on closing price, Nifty is going to fall. So once it crosses 10,882 on a closing price, more likely the next retracement level is going to come. So everything is about probability, and once it crosses this comfortably, more likely 11,089 is about to come. Okay, now we'll look for the same thing in a stock. This okay. So what I'm trying to say is the Fibo numbers act as both support and resistance. Okay. Now we'll look for some stock, and once again we will see like how this Fibo retracement works, and then we'll move on to the next topic, Fibo extension. Okay. So we'll take some stock. Take HCL. Result was out today, and a lot of volatility was there. Okay. So to draw this Fibo tool, you see here a set of tools are available, right? So just select this one, two, third. Just go to this third one. Here list of tools are available, right? Pitchfork, can box, and here we have this Fibo retracement. Okay. So this is the tool which we are using right now. Um, so in this, the tool name is Fibo retracement, but it has got extension as well, which I will explain in a while. Okay, so we'll do a small revision like what is being thought on this Fibo retracement, and then we'll go on to next topic. Okay. So here, like I see, this is the major swing high, and I say like this is the major swing low, or like we can even take this as major swing low, but I take this as swing low, so we'll get some more numbers over here. Okay, so just selecting the highest point and dragging to the lowest point. Okay, fine. So what happened here is from 11:25 stock has fallen until 9:30. So like this happened on December 12th, and just assume like we don't know like what have happened over here. Okay. Okay. So if you see, the overall the major trend is downtrend. The stock tries to retrace and tries to continue the original level. Okay. So if you see like today there was a gap up gap up opening and the stock respected this 0.5 level. So 1028 is the 0.5 level. So it made high of 34, and so right now this has started to act as a resistance. And see the beauty, the low is 1005 or the low is 1003, and the next Fibo number is like 1005. So today itself, this 1028 acted as a resistance, and this 1005 is acting as a support. Okay, okay. So now we'll have some 5 minutes for your questions on this Fibo retracement. Once that is done, we'll move on to the next topic. Okay. Okay, so you can ask your questions on uh, the Fibo retracement. Uh, I'm not getting any questions. Guys, do you have any questions in this? Okay, somebody has asked. This is to be done only on normal candle. Yes, so you take the major swing high value and major low value. You can select the normal candlestick type. Okay, Satish has asked, please tell the values. So, what is the value you are looking for, Satish? So, the Fibo numbers are 0.382, uh, 0.5, 0.618, 0.786, 0.886. So, these are the Fibo numbers, and we'll be respecting on that number. Okay, can it be done on Hikanaski candle too? Yes, it can be, but still, Hikanaski, the closing is using a different formula. So to start with, you guys work on the normal candle type. Which time frame this works? Major time frame. So like, actually it works on all time frame, but still, day time frame, weekly time frame, uh, the accuracy is still better. Still, you can use in intra, even in 15 minutes, you can use this. Okay. Okay, so we have to select only high to low. Yes, we have to select only high to low. Anil, so like the tricky part is like we will be having many high to low. So that is a very normal question. So we don't want to go very much deep into that. So see, like I see just a moment. So here even you can even select this as high to low because at this particular point, say when is that on this particular day, October, this is the swing low, correct? So for example, if you're going to start fresh, you just look for the last 3 month data to begin with. Okay. Okay. What is the best time frame for intra? We can't say like specific time frame. It works from 15 minutes till 4 hour. So based on your setup, so which intra time frame is better for you, can go for it. Okay. uh, okay, can you repeat about HCL? Okay. So you take major swing high, major swing low, okay, and you are drawing the Fibo retracement level. So these numbers, okay. Now see, this gives more better picture rather than the old one. Okay, guys, just listen. Please stop your queries for a while. So like I'm trying to explain again, and this should be like a more helpful to you. Okay. Okay, so we'll just consider this swing low and high of HCL. So we just take like today, the date is assume like today it's October 24, and we have drawn this retracement level. So if you see here, this 0.618 is respected, right? So the stock touched this high and it is falling. And once again, like this 0.382 is acting as a support. You can clearly see I said like this 0.618 and 786 are the very strongest and powerful FIBO numbers. That is see that is very much evident over here. 0.618, it is called as golden ratio to see how many times it has been respected. So like these are like no accident. So like I said, FIBO is present in nature. Of course, it will be present in stocks. So like once like I explained like how we are combining the FIBO numbers and using into harmonics. It will be like more elaborative for you. Okay. Okay. So no new questions, please. I'll just answer one or two questions which is pending, and we'll move on to the next topic. Okay. 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 So this needs to be continuous low. We need some 5% downtrend. So like I said, we can't have a specific point like this as high and low. So everything high low is going to work. I'll show you an example. Okay, so you can draw this and you can even draw this. Okay, so this is also valid. Okay, and if you see like more or less the numbers will be kind of close. Okay, so and we are not going to trade merely based on this FIBO numbers. So whatever I have said, this is like for the basic understanding, and in harmonics I'll be like explaining like how we are going to use the best part of this. Okay. Okay. Now we'll move on to the next part, the FIBO extension. Okay. So basically, this FIBO retracement is used by basically the reversal traders. You know, like this is the place where the stock is going to reverse, and they go for their reversal trades. Okay. Okay. Now this FIBO extension, we'll go for some stock. We'll go for TCS. Here it is not a very better one. Go to some other stock. Okay, Axis looks nice. And today results were there, and once again, like there was a good gap up opening. Okay, I'll say like how the breakout traders would have traded today. Okay, okay, the same FIBO tool. Okay, the same FIBO retracement tool. I'm selecting. So like say like I'm taking this swing low, drawing from this swing high. Okay. Okay. Extension is nothing but the values greater than 1 are called as extension. So FIBO retracement means these values 0.382, 0.5, 0.618, 786, 0.886. The number within 0 to 1, those numbers are called as FIBO retracement values. Okay. And the numbers which are greater than 1 are called as extension numbers. And even extension number act as both support and resistance. I'll show some example. Okay. Okay, access the numbers are very big. Let me go for some other script. So right now, see like what in a simple funda, since we saw this chart. So the previous high in axis was 676, right? So these are the retracement numbers. So we have seen like see this 0.618 once again like respected very nicely, right? See the cluster. So those many resistance was there, and once again this 0.886 small reversal was there. Finally, the stock was breakout. So typical mindset of breakout trader is once this high is broken out, they will be buying. So today they would have bought, okay, and their minimal target will be like this 1.272. So they will be waiting for this 716 to come, and they will be like kind of booking profit. Let me show or like see. Okay, here we will do so that we get a better picture. Okay, perfect. Okay, now assume like the date is January 2000, January 1, 2018. Okay, so okay, fine. So we have taken this swing low and swing high, and we have drawn. Now we'll remove this extension values. It might be confusing, so we'll look into the retracement value. Okay. Okay. So in this particular time frame, okay, the swing low is 458 and the swing high is 627. Okay. Okay. So a typical mindset of like a breakout trader is once this high is broken, when a new high is coming, he will be buying. So he has bought at 630. He need to set some target, right? So instead of blindly booking somewhere, he will be using these extension value as his target numbers. See how beautifully it has respected. So 629 he would have bought. He'll be waiting to book at 678. So what happened? See the high. Check the high. 678 precisely. Correct. So people, the breakout traders who bought here, they would have booked here. And once again, see today, see the next FIBO number was extension number was 704, and we know these number on this particular day itself, right? So January 23 itself, January 23rd, like 2018, we know these are the our numbers. So like once 630 is broken, breakout trader will be buying, and he'll be having his target one as 678, and the 704 as his target two. And just check the height today. See 703, which is very close to 704. The reason like why stock was falling from this area was they know like this is the profit booking zone, and they have booked it. Now, if you see this 678 will be acting as a strong support for Axis. You can check in the coming days. Okay, so okay now any questions in this FIBO extension? Okay, guys, please ask your queries in this extension. Okay, I'm waiting for your queries on the Fibo extension part. Okay, people had some issues in audio, I believe. Let me explain quickly on this Fibo extension part, and then like you can shoot up your query. Okay. Okay, so Fibo extension is nothing but it is a typical number which is used by breakout trader. Okay, so for example, in Axis we have taken this swing low and this swing high. Once this high is broken, the breakout people will be buying it. Okay, okay. So they are buying at this 629, and they need to have some target, right? They will be using this Fibo extension numbers as their target. So here, after we draw this, 1.272 is our first. Okay, I'll just a moment. Like I said, yeah, the Fibo numbers which are greater than 1 are called as extension numbers. So if you see here, after 1 we have 1.272, 1.414, 1.618, 2, 2.618. So all these numbers are the Fibo extension numbers. Okay, and these numbers are used by breakout traders as their profit booking levels. Okay, so people who would have bought at 629, they'll be like waiting for this 678 to come. That is a target one. And if you see like the stock exactly touched 678 and it fell very sharp. And even here some kind of consultation after touching this 678. And today even the result was good. The stock gapped up, and if you see the high is 703, that is the target two. So 704 is the target two for this 629 buy, and that has happened. And since like a lot of people started booking profit at the 704, the stock started to fall. Now this 678 will be acting as a support. So we can see in the coming days, like Access will be taking this 678 as support, and it will be trying to go up. Okay. Now, please shoot your questions in this Fibo extension. Once this is done, then we'll move on to next part. Okay, time frame is same as Fibo retracement. Frame Ranjan has asked a query. Yes. So see, like don't be like too much worried about the time frame. So Fibo extension retracement numbers works on all time frame. Okay. So whatever time frame you are looking the retracement, you can use the same time frame for extension. Okay. Okay. Okay, Karthik has asked a very big question. If I bought the stock on 1st January, then target met in September, but stop loss hit before that. Okay. Okay, Karthik, like I say, these are the just reference numbers, and only if you understand the FIBO extension and retracement, you will be knowing about harmonics. And in harmonics, damn sure you are not going to have this very big stop loss. So don't worry about the very big stop loss. Okay. I'll show some examples on harmonics, like what is our entry, what is our stop loss, and what is our target. And we'll draw some charts. So that time, like your question will be very much answered. And once again, guys, this FIBO extension retracement, we are not going to use this alone and do our trades. Okay. So, like I said, only with the understanding of this FIBO extension and retracement, you will be able to understand harmonics. Okay. Yes, it can be used in intraday trades. Okay. Okay. Just a moment. We'll see a few more questions, and we'll move on to the next topic. Too many questions on time frame. So like I said, don't worry too much on the time frame. So initially for the learning part, you start with a bigger time frame, say like daily time frame or like 4 hour time frame, and then you can slowly move on to the smaller time frame. Okay. It's good for non F&O stocks. Is it okay, Karthik? Another question: is it good for non F&O stocks? See, like Nifty 50 stocks, it's all like always kind of better in general. It's not like we should not trade in other stocks. So the manipulation is always less in Nifty 50 stocks. So you can just try it with them. Okay. Okay, I think the questions are pretty much, so most questions I see is on the time frame, and I guess I have answered to that. Okay, Satish Kumar, can we learn how to draw these lines? So Satish, just go to this particular tool. So here you just select the FIBO retracement. The tool name will be retracement, but we will be having extension as well. Okay. So after we select this, we draw from any swing high and low, and if we need extension, by default everything will be selected. Okay. So we have to select the numbers greater than 1, and if we need retracement, anywhere from 0.382 to 0.886. Okay, I think no new questions. We'll move on to the next topic, and once like the next topic is done, we'll go to the actual harmonics. Okay. Okay, I'm seeing a lot of okay, fine. So we'll move on to the next topic. Okay. Okay. So now I think like people have like a basic understanding like how this FIBO extension and retracement number works. So based on this FIBO extension and retracement numbers, harmonics works. Okay. So there is something called as ABCD pattern in harmonics. Okay. So I'll show like what is that. Okay. So to draw this ABCD, first what we have to do is you just take once again like any swing low and high. Okay, so right now I'm taking this swing low, this swing high. Okay, and now we need FIBO retracement. Okay, fine. Okay, so you draw Fibo retracement from swing high and low. Now you can see, okay, you just say like this is our day. What is this day? Say like today is December 19th. So if in case you see a candle which has retraced and has crossed one, we are going to have ABCD pattern. Okay, so what is this ABCD pattern? I'll let you know. So go to this tool, just go here. Here you will be having set of tools like XABCD pattern, cipher pattern. You just select this ABCD pattern. Okay, select this ABCD pattern, and this point 0, right? The first point you click. So that will be our A. Okay, and the swing high is our B. Okay, the next swing low is our C. Okay. Okay. Now, what is this D? So far you are clear, right? So this D is going to be our kind of reversal point. Okay. Okay. So to fix this D, we have two conditions. Okay. To fix D, there are two conditions. Okay. First condition is reciprocal value of this AC. So here, after we draw the tool, we see only one Fibo value, right? So here like 0.596, right? So you have to find the reciprocal of 0.596. Okay. So I don't know the number. So what I go is I just take help from Google. Okay. So it says like 1.67. Okay. So now I'm going to keep this D. So when I move this D, this number is getting changed, right? So even if you move like this, the value of D is going to be same. I mean the number. Now it says like 1.67, right? So I'm just going to keep at 1.67. Okay. So approximately it's like 1.67. So so this D is our reversal point. Okay. So harmonics is pure reversal trading. So when I say like reversal trading, in harmonics we'll be buying low, selling high, and there is no changes in that, and that is our ultimate rule or like funda. Okay. So if you see, like I said, there are two conditions, right? So first condition is reciprocal value of AC. ABC, that is our like D. Okay. Second condition is AB equal to CD. So when I say like AB equal to CD, just a moment, just a moment, guys. Okay, okay. So okay, second condition is AB equal to CD. So you have to measure this AB. So this low is A, correct? There was a question: should we take candle low? Yes, that is answer right now. And this here for this B, we have to take the candle high. Okay, so A is 535 and B is like 639, so which is like approximately 100 points. So this length, okay. Okay, this length we have to keep from here. So This C low is 580. 580 plus 100 is like 680, right? So that's close to, okay, 680. Okay. So like I said, we have two conditions, right? So first is reciprocal value of ABC. Based on this, we are fixing this D. Second condition is AB equal to CD. Based on the length AB, we are fixing the D point. Okay. So if you see here, first based on first condition, let me draw a horizontal line. Okay. Okay, based on first condition, our D was somewhere around this 679, right? Based on this reciprocal value. So I'll repeat once again. So first condition is we look for this value. Once we draw A, B, and C, we get this value. We don't want to worry too much. So if this is a perfect Fibonacci number, the validity of the particular pattern is going to be like very much. So here like 0.618 is a perfect Fibonacci number. Here we have 0.596, which is close to 0.618. So first condition is we take this number and we find the reciprocal. Okay. So once we have this 1.67, so we drag this D. So initially I don't know where this D is going to be. I don't know. So when I move this number is getting changed, right? So this number needs to be 1.67. Okay. So I drag this D till we get 1.67. And for our reference, I am drawing this line. Okay. The next condition is we have to measure this AB. Okay. And we have to plot the same distance from C to D. Okay. From C. So this is our C. So the ultimate aim is finding D. We have our A, B, and C. Ultimate aim is to find our D, and we are doing this calculation. A is 535 and B is 639, like 104 points is the length. So the same length we are expecting from C to D. So C low is 580, and from 580 some 100 points is like select some 680. So if you see earlier it was like 679, and once again this second condition, the length, that was like 684 precisely. Okay. So these two numbers must be very close to each other. So ideally if they are within 1% range, it is a very good thing. Okay. So that is our area for short. Okay. So like I say, harmonics, it's pure, it's 100% reversal trading. We will be like only selling in high. Okay. So definitely like this 678 is a high number, right? So from say like at least say from here, from 585 the stock is coming up, so we are selling at 685. Okay. Okay, what is the stop loss and target? Okay, so we are not going to trade based on ABCD. Okay, so this ABCD is a good sign of reversal. You can use it as a profit booking area. If in case you have bought somewhere here, definitely you can book all your profit and you can exit. Okay, still if you say you want to take trade based on ABCD, you can use the FIBO extension number as your target and stop loss. This is not recommended, but still. Okay. So for example, if you are selling at 682, you can keep this 703 as your stop loss. Okay. So this, like I said, FIBO number is the heart of harmonics. Okay. This only if you understand ABCD, you will be understanding harmonics or the XABCD pattern. Okay. Okay. So we are once again we are not going to trade on this. This is for pure understanding. So we'll be trading only on the harmonics part because only in harmonics the risk reward ratio is very much better. Anyways, I'll be showing some examples and then we'll go on it. Okay, so now to conclude, we'll be selling around. I mean, like this 680 to this 680 range is bearish ABCD. Okay. Now questions. So once I answer your questions, we'll move on to the next stuff. Okay, how did you get 0.596? Okay, good question. I'll show. See, like I said, I'm not straining too much. I'll show you. Okay. Okay. So the answer to your question is, see, like after drawing the, just a moment, let me remove all this. Okay, that is a nice question. How did you get that number? Okay. Okay. So after I draw the Fibo retracement, I can see like from here the stock has reversed sharply, right? So I'm fixing this as my A. So how to select this tool? You just go here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, sixth tool. So you'll be having list of tools. So you select this A, B, C, D. Okay. So this low point I'm fixing as A. That's all. Okay. And the highest point I'm fixing as B. So that's it. Now this swing low I'm fixing as C. Okay. So once I fix this C, automatically the number comes. Your question like how this 596 came, right? So it automatically comes. So after this number comes, we just Google for the reciprocal of this number. So if this number, this ABC retracement number is a perfect Fibo number, the validity of pattern will be like very much powerful. Okay. So after this number is fixed, we take this reciprocal. So we fix the D. Okay. Okay. Uh, next question. Just okay, Karthik. After fixing the fixing D and drawing ABC, AB equal to CD, what to do? Okay, so after fixing D, I mean to fix D, there are two conditions, Karthik. So first condition is the reciprocal value. Okay. Second condition is AB equal to CD line. So like I said, see, these two values must be close to each other. For example, in our case, it came as like 677, and this AB equal to CD was something around 682 or something, right? So these two numbers must be close to each other. Only then the particular pattern is going to be valid. AB equal to CD means just the difference between price or length. Okay, both are same, Nishay. So like, just a moment. So we take this A. This A is nothing but the swing low. So the value is 535, right? And this B is swing high. Value is 639. So when you say length or like the difference between high and low, both mean the same. So here like it is 104 points, and that 104 points we are anticipating from C. Okay. Okay. What is the other question? Okay, can it be used in intraday trades? Uh, so, like I say, guys, yes, you can, but still, the most best is always the actual harmonics, which you will be seeing very sooner, and then you yourself will be deciding like why harmonics is better than ABCD. So your the answer to your question will be explained or shown at that particular moment. There is change in angle of both lines, so length will change. Why there is change in angle? Why you are bringing angle here? See, the swing low is 534. This is fixed, right? And the next swing high is 638. So this is fixed, right? So whatever happens, so in this particular period, this is the swing low and this is the swing high. So we just calculate the same difference, and we are anticipating the same move from C. Okay. 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 Fine. Okay. We'll move on to the next. Okay. One last question. What is it, sir? Can I fix swing high of B to 3 candles back, because that is also same high? Okay. We'll see that. Can I fix swing high of B 3 candles back? Yes, you can do. You can do. No problem. If you do here. Okay. So this number is getting little tilted, right? So 0.588. Sanjay, the answer to your question is yes, you can do. But like, see, like, what is the swing high precisely? 636, right? And this high 638. So always like go for the better number. So we are going for swing high. So why we should compromise the 2 rupee? So rather than this 3 candle back, so this candle high is the correct one. So we will be respecting that. Okay. Yes, you can go for this. There will be small variation in the price, but still, why compromise that also? Okay, Saran Raj. Okay, fine. Now we'll go to the next one. The alternate ABCD. Okay, so this is bearish ABCD. Now we'll be seeing alternate bearish ABCD. So in that case, whatever right now I have thought, everything is same. Okay, except for one thing. Okay, so this is the first condition. Okay, so there is no change in that, and this is the second condition. AB equal to CD. Okay, so this is typical ABCD pattern. In alternate ABCD pattern, first condition is same, no change in that. In second condition, okay, in second condition we have two conditions. One is like 1.27 AB equal to CD, or 1.618 into AB equal to CD. So what does it mean? So this 1.27, 1.618 are nothing but the FIFO extension numbers. Okay. So when I say like, so here like this is nothing but 1, right? AB equal to CD is nothing but 1 AB, 1 into AB is equal to CD. Now we have to multiply this AB with 1.27. Okay. So AB is fixed. What is the AB? It is 535. 535 640, right? Fixed. Let me open my calculator. Just give me a moment. Okay. So AB is 134, right? So I'm multiplying, sorry, 104, right? 534, 630 is 104. Okay. So I'm multiplying this 104 with the 1.27. So we have 132. Okay. Just give me a moment. So here, this value is like 132. Okay. So what we have to do is we have to project D in a way like instead of 104, 132. So The low is 580. 580 plus 134. Why I'm adding to 580? Because that is the value of C. That is the low, right? Okay. Okay. So it says the next probable reversal is 712. Okay. Okay. So for our reference, I'll draw a line. Okay. And finally, 1.618. So what we do, that 104 is fixed. AB is 104, right? Let me write here so that it will be clear for you. AB is 104. This is fixed. So 104 into 1.618. So that is 168. Okay. 168, and once again the C values fixed, right? Okay, C value is 580. Okay. So 168 plus 580. Okay, that is 748. Okay. So the next probable reversal is 748. Okay. Okay. So in alternate ABCD, it says the next reversal can happen at 712 or 748. Okay. Now, how do we know whether a pattern is going to be alternate ABCD pattern or ABCD pattern? Okay. For that, this first condition is going to help. Okay. I said like this number and this number should be close as possible, right? So this number is fixed. The reciprocal value is always fixed, right? Okay. So the value is 677. The 677 is closer to 682 compared to, so here like what are the values we had? So here it was like 746 and here it was like 712, right? Okay. So this 677 is closer to 682 compared to this 712 or 746. Okay. Thereby we decide this is ABCD pattern and not an alternate ABCD pattern. In some cases, this number will be closer to this number or this number. So in that case, we'll be going for alternate ABCD pattern. Okay. So once again, this ABCD is for understanding of harmonics. So without proper knowledge of this ABCD, like harmonics will be very difficult to follow. Okay. So now please ask your queries on this alternate ABCD. Yes, this is done for short stock, correct. So like I said, this harmonics is 100% reversal trading. So whenever stock goes up, we'll be trying to sell, and whenever stock falls below, we'll be trying to buy. Okay. Okay. Venugopal, what is your query? Yes, correct. So we always do the calculation and check which we are getting closer. Okay. That is okay. Okay. Okay, just give me some time. Please stop new questions. Let me answer the old questions. Then you can raise the new question. Just give me 2 or 3 minutes. Okay. Okay. 7112 is second target. So it's not like a target Darbar. So we'll be looking for our area to short. Okay. So in this condition, in our case, in Axis Bank, this is ABCD. So we'll be trying to sell somewhere between 677 to 684. Okay. How much time will it tell how much time the investment is? Okay, see, Saurav, like the chart is drawn on day time frame, right? So like ideally, you should be getting good sign of reversal, say like within a week. Okay. Alternate ABCD is for making another reversal point because current reversal point has passed. A good question, Ajay, right? So like that is, yes, you are right. So that is the next place for short. Okay. So like I said, the FIBO extension numbers, the first number is our like first area of selling or like the area where like people book profit. Likewise, this ABCD works first and then like the alternate ABCD. Anyways, see like this is like we are doing it live and you will be checking the prices live. So Axis has not yet touched 712. Okay. So if our projection is right, the moment Axis touches 712, we should be seeing a good amount of reversal. So we'll check in live market also, so that you guys will have even more confidence. Okay. Okay. Karthik, another question. First, we have to calculate ABCD and then using ABCD, alternate ABCD. If they are closer, then what's the inference? So inference is if they are closer, very likely the stock is going to reverse. Nice question, Karthik. So here, like you see 677 and 682. So these two numbers are definitely closer, right? So this is the area like where we can take a shot. Okay, what does D tell us? D is our entry point of reversal. So stock is moving up, so we can sell at D. So that is our place like where we are going to sell it. Okay, Nishke has asked a question. Does this pattern indicate the reversal happen at that nearby corresponding day in the chart or valid only on price? Okay, chart is valid for price, Nishay. So we wait for our price. We don't mind when it is going to come. So we wait for our price, and that is our reversal place. Okay, so we'll just wait for another 2 minutes. So any further questions, and we'll go for it. Doji will be there at top. Then why are we doing the calculation of T? Okay. Karthik, so D is our calculation for reversal, right? So yes, candlesticks are important. So we, based on the candlesticks, we fix our A, B. So the very strong reversal candles, we'll be just fixing our A, B. And based on A, B, C, we'll be doing calculation on D. Okay. This pattern are done in new high stocks only. Not like that, Ajay. So, like I said, harmonics is total reversal trading. Okay. So, whenever a stock is inching up, harmonics will be like suggesting to sell. Okay. So, of course, now Axis has hit new 52-week high. So, of course, harmonics will be saying some reversal. So, like I said, you guys, someone is asking for live example. So, we'll take this Axis as a live example. So, let us see like how the stock is going to react once it touches 711 or 712, which I am expecting in another 5 days. If in case that happens, the reversal is going to happen. No, harmonics is for both buy and sell, Saurabh. So as of now, we are looking only for the bearish pattern. So like once this question session is done, we'll be going on to the bullish patterns. Okay. Live example. Live example. I'll show Maria. The live example. I'll show like in harmonics. So I'll be drawing some charts which you are going to suggest. You guys will tell me the stocks. We look for valid harmonic pattern, and we all are going to see the live reaction. Okay. Yes, reversal from 711 will take place next till next Fibo retracement. Yes, Nishe. So, like I said, that this Fibo number will be acting as strong support and resistance numbers. So, 711 is our kind of next reversal number for axis. So, we can expect uh, reversal from 711. And like I said already, I told like this 680 is going to act as a good support for axis. Okay, please explain once again like how 712 and 746 came. Okay. So this 712 and 746 are alternate ABCD numbers. So we have our AB, the distance is 104, that is calculated. Okay. So based on that 104, we are multiplying with this 1.27, we get this 132. Our C is fixed. C is 580, that is fixed. So we add that this number and we get this 712, that is our next probability. Likewise, we multiply this 168 and we have this number. Okay, what if reversal may happen before D? Excellent question, Saran Raj. Okay, everybody listen, like this is very important thing. Yes, reversal can happen even before D. We can't guarantee like the stock is going to touch D for sure. But if it touches D, definitely there will be some reversal. That is what like harmonics guarantees. Okay, will Fibonacci will give strong buy signal? Yes. So Fibo numbers we are using for buy and sell. So only like understanding Fibo extension and retracement, we are now able to get the ABCD. And if we understand ABCD, we'll moving on to like the harmonics. Okay, so we'll pass the question for a while. Now I'll move on to the bullish ABCD pattern. Okay. So this is bearish ABCD. Now we'll go to bullish ABCD. Okay. Okay. I'll just remove this and draw once again. So last week we all saw what like happened in Z after the scam news was out. The stock was falling very drastically, right? So, like I said, harmonics is reversal trading. So whenever stock is forming a new high, it suggests sell, and when stock is forming a new low, it suggests a buy. Okay. So this chart is on weekly. Okay, so like once again, we just go here and we select this ABCD pattern. Okay. Okay. So we have multiple swing high. So like for example, I'm taking this swing high. This is RA. I'm fixing B, and this is C. Okay. Okay. Like I said, this number, right? This AC number which comes automatically. If it is a perfect Fibo number, then the validity of pattern is very much. Okay. So just a moment. Okay, see, this 0.5 is a perfect Fibo number, right? Okay. 0.5 is a perfect Fibo number, and reciprocal of 0.5 is 2. Okay. So after fixing this D, So 0.5 is fixed. So next is like our D. See, D is 2, right? So somewhere around this 316. Okay. Okay, fine. So what harmonics is suggesting is it's asking to buy around this 316. Okay. So we have two conditions, right? So first condition is based on this ABCD pattern. So this is our buying area 316. And second condition is we calculate this AB length. So here A is like 600 and B is like 480, correct? Oh, sorry, 410. The low is 410, right? So it's kind of 200 points, right? So 200 points is AB length, right? So what is ABCD pattern saying? Now I'll revise so that you will get it. So first condition is like bullish or bearish. First condition is the reciprocal value. Okay, so this reciprocal value we just take it. So here our reciprocal number is 316, right? Okay. Second condition AB equal to CD. So AB equal to CD means length is 604 480, correct? Okay, so it's like sorry 410. I'm sorry again 604 and 410. So we have to check the low, right? For B here we are checking the low. So it's 200 points. So B high is like 506. So 506 minus 200 is close to 306, right? Let me draw a horizontal line over 306. Oh, okay. Now, if you see this 306 and the 316 are very close to each other, and there is no need to calculate the alternate stuff because this is a weekly chart. This is definitely very close. So this is the probable area of buy. So what this bullish ABCD suggesting is we can buy somewhere between 306 to 316. And now you can see like what happened. See, so from here it has gone to like 391, right? So some close to some 80 point has come, right? So this is about like the harmonics. Whenever like stock is falling, harmonics will be like suggesting buy because harmonics is absolute reversal trading. Okay. So next, I mean, like we'll have some small session and we'll go on to the official or the main harmonic pattern. We'll just look into just one pattern alone today. Rest of the patterns we'll see tomorrow. So when I draw a pattern, I mean, we will be knowing all the entry, the stop loss, target. So everything we will be knowing very well in advance. So I'll show an example. So before that, let's wind up this bullish ABCD. So the ultimate point is whenever the stock is falling, harmonics will be suggesting buy, and whenever stock is moving up, harmonics will be suggesting sell. Okay. Okay. Now questions on this bullish ABCD. Okay, another question from Karthik. If in case ABCD, alternate ABCD are completely different, which one we have to follow? So, Karthik, like I said, two conditions, right? This reciprocal value of ABCD is common for everything. Okay, So whichever number is very close to this reciprocal value, that will be our area or the zone where we are going to initiate our trade, like buy or sell. Okay, Ajay, another question. How do you make AB equal to AC? It's not like AB equal to AC, Ajay. See, we calculate the see, A, B is our major swing high and low, right? So we calculate this length and we are anticipating the same length from C. Okay, so here the stock has fallen by 200 points and it has done some retracement. Okay, 0.5 is before retracement. So we are anticipating the stock to fall by another 200 points from this C. So these two numbers are matching 306, 316, right? Means like more likely this is our strong buying zone, and that's why like the stock has reversed without any second thought. Okay, perfect. The question which I was expecting for a long time. Sir, can you show me a script that is going to reverse tomorrow based on ABC? Okay. Now let me show. Okay, like guys, type 2 or 3 stocks name. Let's see the stocks here, and let us see the reaction tomorrow. So just type any stock. Okay, enough. I got it. Okay, so we have ICC Bank and S Bank. We'll see like what do you have? Do we have any reversal point right now? We'll see. Let me show it to you live. Okay. Okay. Another question from Karthik. If ABCD says reversal point is 600, alternate ABCD says reversal point is 630, which is correct. So that area 600 to 630, that area is, if in case it is bullish, that is buying zone. Okay. So in harmonics, we speak only about zone. There is nothing like number. So zone. So we call it as reversal zone. Okay. Uh, Okay, you said okay. Okay, now we'll look into ICG Bank and Yes Bank. We'll look into the charts and we'll move on to the harmonic pattern. Okay, we'll just look into just one harmonic pattern today so that you will get an idea, and we'll discuss in brief tomorrow and the day next. Okay, okay, let me open ICCI Bank. Okay, I think even today the result was out, right? Okay, so we can have this as A, this as B, this as C, and let us see if there is any valid pattern here. Okay, 1.618 is the reversal number. Okay, how I said 1.616, so the FIBO numbers are memorized for me. So this, like I said in very much in the beginning, like this 0.616 is kind of most powerful FIBO number, right? So after I draw A, B, C, we get this 0.616. What is the reciprocal of 0.616? It's 1.623, right? So just check. So check the high, 1.623. So this is our kind of shorting area. So 383 is short. To double confirm that, we take this measurement. So low is 36, high is 69. So 36, 69, it's kind of 33 points. So 33 points we are expecting to rise from this C. So 348 plus 33. What is that? 33 plus 348. That is 381. So based on our the ABCD calculation, we have 381. Also based on this reciprocal value, we have say like 383. So this 381 to 383 is selling zone for ICCI. And if you see like that has been respected multiple times, see high is 382. Once again, like high is 381. So this is kind of proved, right? So the 381 to 383 is selling zone for ICCA. I don't know the result, but you can see like what happened here is the stock has fallen to say like 336, right? Okay. Now we will go into, so right now like ICICI Bank is sell on every, right? So like this 382 is the selling zone. So already the target is done. So better stay away from ICCA. If you still want to go for lower time frame, since you asked, let us see like what's happening. And this harmonic pattern will not be present on every single stock all the time. So only when it is present, we'll be just making use of it. Okay. So right now there is no harmonic over here. Oh, I'm saying is there is no very big retracement. We'll move to the next stock, yes, bank. Bank, I think is here. Let us change the time frame. So in 1 hour, I don't see any harmonic pattern. So let me go to next higher time frame. Let us still go to that. Okay, let us see in case we are having anything here. So this swing low I'm fixing as A, swing high B. Next is C. Okay, so we have to find the reciprocal of 827. So like I said, this number, if it is very close to perfect Fibo number, the particular pattern is going to be very strong and powerful. Why I was very much happy with ICC is we got our fortunate Fibo 0.618. Because of that, like I know like the reversal is going to be strong and powerful, and still now it is happening. Okay, so this 827 is not a very strong number. Anyways, we'll see like what's happening. So 1.209. Okay, so the reversal point of this S bank is 1.209. Okay, so this is once the stock comes below this number. So once the stock comes below 214, we can initiate a short. Okay, so how do you fix stop loss? That is the problem with ABCD. But we don't have this problem in the harmonic pattern because we know our stop loss very well in advance, so as the target. Okay, so this ABCD is needed for understanding of the harmonic patterns. Okay. Okay, now we'll move on to the harmonic pattern. We'll start with band pattern. That is the most famous pattern and also like the most powerful pattern. Okay. So Bank Nifty, there was a harmonic pattern. Just a moment. Okay. Okay. Uh, Let me clear this and draw again for you. Let me draw in a fresh sheet. Just give me a moment. So this harmonic pattern works on all the time frames from 15 minutes till monthly. So we can use the lower time frame for intra. So when I say like intra, we can use 15 minutes, 1 hour, 30 minutes, 2 hour, 4 hour. So these time frames can be used for intra, and time frame like a daily, weekly, monthly. These can be used for positional. Okay. Okay. So what is okay? So far we have seen about the FIFO retracement, the ABCD part, right? Okay. Now we will be looking for the harmonic pattern. Okay. So in harmonic pattern, what we basically need is we look for M and W pattern. Okay. So if you see here, you just draw a trend line. The stock is like going up, right? So we take from this low. Then once again, like the stock is falling, stock is rising. Once again, like the stock is falling. Okay. So you can see M pattern over here, right? So M pattern are bullish pattern, okay, and W pattern are bearish pattern. Okay. So now we have this M pattern. Means, see, you can ask. See, even here itself, we know like when this low is taken out. Okay, definitely some moving average will be coming to play here. So once this low is broken out, that time itself we can wait for like this point to come. So aggressive traders, what they do is based on moving averages, they will be selling once this is broken out. When once they have a decent candle, they will be selling here. Okay, but harmonics suggest only reversal trading. Though aggressive traders make use of this point, harmonics suggest only reversal trading, and we take entry only at our D. Okay. Now let me show like how it is being done. Okay. Okay. There are like a lot of conditions for bad. The first condition is ABC retracement is anywhere between 0.38 to 2.5. Okay. ABC retracement. Okay. We can okay, let it be. Now, now we are starting harmonic pattern. So, like I said, so for whatever is being taught, that is for your fundamental understanding, and we'll be taking all our trades based on harmonics because that gives you defined entry, defined stop loss, defined target, and everything very well in advance. Okay. Okay. So to draw the harmonics, you just select the same tool which we selected for ABCD, and you select this first one, X ABCD pattern. Okay. Oh, okay. Now we are just putting. I mean, like our first point, we are fixing X as this low. Next point we are fixing as A. Next is swing high. Okay. Next point we are fixing as B. Next point we are fixing as C. And this D point is a big story. I'll explain a little later. So let it be like this. Okay. Okay. So now you can see X A B, right? So this value, once you draw like in ABCD, you will be immediately getting this value. You will be immediately getting this value. So this XAB value must be somewhere between this XAB value must be somewhere between 0.382 to 0.5. So this is the condition for bad. Okay. So that condition is satisfied. Okay. Second condition is this AC value. It can be anywhere between 0.382 to 0.886. ABC can anywhere be between, it can be like 0.382 to 0.886. So what are these numbers? Nothing but FIBO retracement numbers. So we started the story with the FIBO retracement numbers, right? So the reason why I explained the significance of FIBO retracement is only when we know FIBO retracement, we will be able to understand this harmonics in a better way. Okay, fine. And finally, okay, and finally this we have this BCD, we have this number, right? So we don't want to worry about any of these. So these numbers comes automatically. Okay, so this number B to D, it must be lying between 1.618 to 2.618. Okay, so BD, I just put for a reference, BD should be like 1.618 to, okay, what is this 1.618 to 2.618? This is nothing but FIBO extension, right? So we started with FIBO retracement and extension, right? So this is about the BD part, okay? And finally, XD. XD, this part, right? Okay. So that pattern in XD can be like two numbers, okay? The most important or like the commonly used number is 0.886. Sometimes we use 1.13, that is called as alternate pad. That has like a less significance compared to pad. I'll explain the reason little later. Okay. Okay. So like I said, once this number is fixed, so the after we draw this the XP, we have a first condition like this is satisfied, and okay. So this is our second condition, that is satisfied. Third condition is also satisfied here. So finally, XD must be 0.886. Okay. Okay. So why I said like harmonics will be very much important, or like will give you like everything clear limits. Now I can say, see, right now I'm going to draw some live charts, but at this moment, see, once this once we have this red candle, one candle closes below B, I'll be anticipating for this D to come. The common question which comes is, okay, you are saying D is going to come, so can I sell at B? Aggressive traders used to do that, but still, the basic rule of harmonics is take entry only at D. I'm not saying you should not do that. So initially, you just try avoid that. You just observe for a few days, but our rule is we are going to buy at this D. Okay. So how does this D is fixed? So this XD is 0.886. So this number is fixed for beta. Okay. So our entry is okay. So this is our entry. 26545 is our entry. Okay. This 886 is our entry. What is the stop loss? So say the low of X is right, 26412, right? So since like this is Bank Nifty, a 5-digit share, you can have some 20 or 30 points below this low, because sometimes this double bottom will be formed and our stop loss will be hit. Maybe like you can have the stop loss as like 26391. Okay. Okay. So we'll have like so this is our stop loss. Just little below our X is our stop loss. Okay. 26391 is our stop loss. Our entry is at 26545. Okay. So what is the stop loss? You just calculate the difference. Or we'll take like it's approximately 26400. So we'll take like approximately 150 points is our stop loss. Okay. So our target one is the same 150 points. So 150 points plus this 545 is, we'll take this as 550. So 550 plus 150 is nothing but 700. So this 700 is our first target. What is our second target? You add another 150. So 700 plus 150 is 850. Okay. So you can clearly see the moment it touched this 26545, almost in the same candle it reversed, and it reversed like what, to our target one, and even next day once again the same number is retested, right? It even went below that. What is our low? 26444. So 545 was our entry. We would have bought here. Stop loss is 390. The stop loss was not hit. It went even below 100 by 100 points, but still the stop loss was not hit. The stock gapped up and the target 2 was done. Okay, so why I said like I mean like we should be doing on harmonic. This is the official harmonic pattern. Okay, that we should be doing on harmonic pattern and not on ABCDs. In ABCD pattern, we don't have a like a precise stop loss. Okay, so when we don't have a precise stop loss, it is not possible to set a precise target. Yes, we can use the FIBO numbers for our reference for the FIBO extension retracement numbers as our entry and stop loss, but still just see this chart in harmonics. It is giving you this much cushion, right? So we have a precise entry, stop loss and target, and everything you know well in advance. So like I said, so at this moment you can prepare this chart and you can wait for this point to come. Okay, so this is bad pattern. So likewise we have a few other patterns like Gartley. I'm writing the. So this is bullish pattern. Okay, so we'll see the bearish pattern little later. So this is so we have bat, bullish bat, bearish bat. Likewise, the next pattern is Gartley. Once again, same bullish Gartley, bearish Gartley, butterfly, crab, and some unofficial pattern like shark, cipher. So we'll be looking into all these patterns in the coming days. Maybe if you have some free time, just Google on this thing. Anyways, I'll be explaining about each pattern in a more detailed way with some live examples in the coming days. So right now, you just ask your query. We'll spend some last 5 minutes in try identifying some live charts if in case we get, and we can see the reaction live. Okay. Okay, now question time. So what are the questions? Just give me a moment. Okay, how do you fix the target of 150? Nice question, Sadish. See, rather than we fixing the target, we fix the stop loss. Okay, what is the stop loss? Okay, we know our entry is here, right? We know this 0.886, it should be precise 0.886. Okay, it should be precise 0.886. Okay, dragging it's not coming. Okay, perfect. Okay, so this is our entry. So like this 26, this is our precise entry. So 26545 is our buy. What is our stop loss? Like I said, just say since this is a 5-digit script, some 20 points below this X. If in case it is a 3-digit stock, you can have some 2 points below the X. Okay, so entry 545 fixed. Stop loss 26391, that is fixed. So we go in the ratio 1:1. So when I say like risk reward ratio is 1:1, if you are keeping 3,000 rupee as stop loss, your target 1 is 3,000 rupee. Your target 2 is 6,000 rupee. Your target 3 is 3,000 rupee. So based on that, since our stop loss of 150 is fixed already, our target 1 is 150 points. Okay, so that is the question which I am seeing majorly. So I think now you should be clear on this part. Okay, we'll move on to the next question. How you fix the target of 150, Satish? I think you should be clear now. Okay, so what is the target for Nifty for tomorrow as per harmonics, Karthik? Okay, so like I said, Karthik, harmonic pattern will not be present in every single script every single time. Okay, so we can check in Nifty right now. I mean, like we can check right now. We'll check in some stocks and Nifty in the last 5 minutes. So if in case there any harmonic pattern, we'll check the reaction tomorrow. Okay, Sadish is clear. Okay. Vasudev, in XABCD method, we can point out D position even before the candle formed at D position. Perfect question, Vasudev. Okay, guys, see, Vasudev has asked an interesting question. He's saying, can we point out the D position even before the candle is formed? Yes, that is the ultimate supremacy in harmonics. Even before the candles are formed, we can expect for our reversal zone. Once it touches D, we'll do some like the candlestick confirmation validation and we'll enter. Anyways, that I'll be covering in the later session. So the question is, I mean, like the point is, we will be knowing our entry points very well in advance. That is the point. Okay. So for example, right now we have access sell is at 711, right? So we saw some pattern and there was sell at 711, right? So no candle is being formed at 711, but we know there is some reversal going to come at 711 to say some 713. We'll witness that in the coming days. Okay, Vasudev is clear. Can you explain how you have drawn the support lines? Nothing as support line, Venugopal. So we identify the pattern. Okay. So once the pattern is identified, we fix our D and we'll be waiting for our entry. Okay. Okay. Venugopal has understood. Good. Okay. Okay. I'll just wait for 2 more minutes. Then what we are going to do is we are going to check some scripts right now live. Okay, if the script went below D, okay. Maria was asked a question. If the script went below D, should be short. No, Saranraj, like I say, harmonics is for reversal trading. So we buy in fall and we sell in dip. Okay. So your question is like, can we sell once the D is broken? So that is typical breakout. Yes, you can combine moving average and you can with RSI you can do the confirmation and you can do breakout. That is, I mean, it's not like you should not do, but harmonics does not say that. It says reversal is expected to happen in that area, so go for reversal. That's it. Okay. Okay, how much time frame should the chart be? Saurabh, I think like we'll be spending at least 1 hour only for drawing charts in the coming days. Okay, so we'll be drawing the harmonic chart from 15 minutes till monthly time frame. So we'll be drawing the chart live. I mean, I'll be drawing with you. Like once you say the script, I'll be drawing on the script. So your question will be answered that time. Okay, XT always 0.886. Yes, for BAT, it's always 0.886. There is something called as alternate BAT where we fix XD as 1.13. That I'll explain in the coming session. Okay, but the answer to your question is if it is BAT pattern, XD is 0.886. Okay, I think questions are fine. Now you type the script name. We'll see if in case any valid harmonic is present. Like I say, harmonic will not be present in every single script every single time. So if it is present, we can go for it. Okay. NMDC, JSW, still few more. We have some 10 minutes and we can draw. We can even check in some 7 or 8 scripts. So once we get some 7 scripts, we'll stop. Okay, HEG 3 scripts as of now, 4 more scripts and we'll stop. Vedanta, Hutco, ITC. Okay, we'll stop. Okay, so we'll okay, script is enough, please. Okay, guys, script is enough. So whatever scripts you guys have put, we'll go for it. Okay. Ajay, another question: how are we getting target? Okay, Ajay. See, once we fix our entry D, immediately we fix our stop loss. That is, say like a little below X. Once we fix our stop loss, we take the difference and we add it in our entry for our target 1. So we start with the risk reward ratio of 1:1. Okay. Okay. We just have 10 minutes for today. We'll check in these scripts if there is any harmonic pattern is present, and we'll see the reaction live tomorrow. Just see the reaction live tomorrow if in case anything we get. Okay. Okay. Just let me not only names. Okay, fine. Okay, we'll start with NMDC. Okay, yes, we might have a harmonic pattern here. Okay, how I'm saying, like we might be having, see, to my naked eye, I can just see like this, right? Okay, this is W, right? So W is bearish pattern and M is bullish pattern. Okay, so this is not a bad, but since like you have asked, this is another pattern called as chart. Let me draw the chart live so that everybody can see and also can see the reaction in the upcoming days. Okay, so I'm just fixing the first point as X, the next point as A, next as B, C. So this is shark, which we'll discuss in the next session. So just the answer to the question is like, or like to give much better explanation. Okay, so 98.5 is sell in NMTC. Okay, so 98. So this pattern is shark. So don't worry about shark right now. I'll explain like in the coming session. Uh, so we can sell at 98. See, right now the stock is 96, right? But I'm saying right now we can sell at 98.5. The next question should not be, can I buy at 96? You say like, Karna, you are saying like your sell is 98, right now it is 96. So why can't I buy? Harmonics does not suggest that. Like I said, this is breakout. Based on your method, you can do that. But what harmonics suggests is, so we sell at 98.5. Okay, what is our stop loss? What is X? 99.5. We keep a 50 paise above 99. So we keep like what is this? We keep as 100 as our stop loss. Okay. Just a moment. We'll draw this. We'll save this. Let us see like if in case we are getting any entry in the coming days. Okay. So our stop loss is 100. Okay. So this is our stop loss. Our entry is 98.5. Okay. Now 1.5 rupee is stop loss. This is fixed, right? So the target is 1.5 rupee from this 98.5. So that is 97. Okay. So this is target 1. I'll just save this chart. We can check uh, like if we are getting any entry in the coming days. So this is our entry, and finally this is our stop loss. Just a moment. Oops. Just a moment. Okay, so this is our stop loss. The red line 100 is our stop loss. Our entry is 98.5 and our target is 97. Okay, so we are saying everything well in advance, right? So the stock right now is trading at 96. So we are saying sell at 98.5. We have our stop loss fixed already 100 and we have our target fixed already. So the greatest advantage in harmonics. So you know everything very well in advance so that you can plan accordingly. Okay. Okay, so just let me save this and we'll check some more. somebody asked ITC. We'll see ITC. So as of now, we have sell in access at 711, and we have sell in NMDC at 98.5. Let us see like how the stock is going to react live. Okay, here. Okay. Okay, once again we have a shark here. So this shark and bat are the most commonly occurring pattern. Okay. And in both the cases, the XD is 886. Okay, so we can see the okay. Here we have buy. Buy is at 270, and the stop loss is the low is 268. So we keep like 1 rupee below us our stop loss. Okay, so stop loss is 267. Buy is 270. And our target is 3 rupee from 270, that is 273. Okay, so like since we are running out of time, and since you guys asked to check on the scripts, let me check. So we'll discuss in detail in the coming session. Let me check one last script, and we'll just kind of wind up. HEG. Okay, so in daily there is nothing. By seeing I can see. So what I'm doing is I'm just going for the next better time frame, weekly. Okay, so in even weekly it's kind of distorted, so I'll go for next better time frame, monthly. Okay, I'm just taking this swing low. Once again, shark here. Um, so once I explain shark, you will understand it better. But okay, the buy actually it's already reversing from shark. So like see, the buy is around 1960. So the stock made low of 1980, and it has already the stock is coming up. So what right now I suggest is like so investors can make use of the weekly monthly chart and try accumulate uh, the stocks at the corresponding PRs. Okay, 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 guys. So like we'll check on the charts and the other patterns tomorrow. So like as of now, we have ITC buy at two. What is the number? Axis okay, ITC buy at 270. Okay, ITC buy is at 270. Axis Bank sell is at 711, and NMDC sell at 98.5. So these things haven't happened, and we are waiting for those things to come. So we'll see like we'll draw anyways like at least some 10 charts tomorrow, and we'll wait for like the live reaction how it is going to happen. Okay, now if in case any questions I just answer that, and we'll wind up today. Tomorrow we'll start continuing in the other patterns, and you guys be like prepared with your list of stocks. So I'm just going after teaching the patterns, I'm just going to draw the harmonic patterns on your script, and we are going to see everything live, like how the reaction is going to come. Okay, so let me see, I mean like the last 2 minutes, if there are any questions let me know. We'll wind up the session after I answer your current questions. Okay. Okay, what is the least data to create this pattern? Like, are we good only with X and A? So, Ashutosh, we'll just look for the M and W pattern. Okay, so see, like the session started with FIBO extension retracement, then ABCD pattern, and finally harmonic pattern, right? So whatever I thought in the earlier part, so that is for basic understanding. So if I straight away start with harmonic pattern, it will be like Greek and Latin for you. So that's why we started with Fibo numbers. Okay, so why Fibo numbers? Fibo is present in nature. So when I say it is present in nature, damn sure it is going to be present in our stocks. Okay, and like the beauty in harmonics is, like I have showed the charts, we know very well in advance. Okay, so we have our numbers. We are going to see the live reaction. Then you will. So see, Bank Nifty, like the stock, the target 1 and 2 was done, but that I would say that is a old chart. Anyways, we have fresh charts. We'll be drawing more of the fresh charts in the coming days, and you guys will be looking the reaction live. Okay. Okay. We must learn the Fibo numbers. I think only then we can relate. Correct. So Fibo is the basic of ABCD. ABCD is basic of harmonics. Okay. If low comes after D, what we do? Saurabh had asked a question. So um, low comes after D. So once D comes, we will do some validation, which I'll be explaining in the coming session. After we enter, we just place our stop loss and we just, if stop loss is hit, we just accept that. That's it. There is nothing else. How much accuracy? Okay, accuracy, I will say like close to 75% of accuracy, I would say. Harmonics, the accuracy is like more than 75% for sure. Is this pattern double bottom? It's not like exactly double bottom. So it's kind of tilted double bottom, we can say, Ajay. And we wait only for our D to come. Once again, I repeat. So see, ITC right now it is 275. So the buy is at 270. So your question should not be, can I sell at 275? Yes, you can do that based on, like I said, based on the other system, you can do that. But a harmonic trader, just stick with this number. Okay. Okay. I think we are short of, I mean, like we're of. Okay, I don't see any new question. Just last 2 minutes, and we'll wind up. Okay, I'm getting many messages like got it. Okay, nice guys. Okay, guys. Thanks for your time. So like, stay tuned. Tomorrow, like 7 o'clock, we'll connect again. We'll look into the other patterns, and we'll be like drawing more charts, and we'll be seeing the reaction as live. Okay. Okay. Thank you all. Thank you. Thanks for your nice feedback, guys. Thank you. Like we have still like a lot more things to learn in harmonics, so we have 2 more days. We'll just look into that. Take care, guys. Good night.